Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to create one of the most demanding and very delicious recipe, that is KFC style homemade boneless chicken strip. So without any further delay, let's get straight into the video. Now I'm going to start to marinate the KFC style boneless chicken strip. Here I already take 500 gram of chicken strip, which is completely boneless. I wash it and I remove the extra water from the chicken. Here I will take dark soy sauce, red chili powder, hot sweet and sour chili sauce. Here I take salt, ginger powder, garlic powder, black pepper powder and some red paprika. So now I am going to start to adding all the ingredients one by one. I'm taking the chili powder 1 teaspoon, garlic powder 1 teaspoon, ginger powder 1 teaspoon, some paprika powder 1 teaspoon, salt 1 teaspoon and black pepper quarter teaspoon. I already add all the dry ingredients. Now I'm going to add the soy sauce, dark soy sauce. I will add 2 tablespoons and tomato ketchup, that is hot and sweet and sour chili sauce, 2 tablespoons. Then I will mix all the ingredients together and I will keep it refrigerate it for 3 hours. So I need to mix all the ingredients very carefully, so when I'm going to fry it, the texture and the taste will be exactly like a restaurant style. So it's very important, the marination. So after 3 hours I will show the chicken. On the other hand, now I am going to prepare the coating of the chicken strip. Here I take 500 gram of plain flour and here I'm going to add the 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of red paprika powder, 1.5 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of ginger powder and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, which ingredients previously I already added during the marination of my chicken strip. Now I'm going to mix all the dry ingredients with my hand. So here I adding all the dry ingredients. So this will be the coating of my this fried chicken strip. After 3 hours I take out the chicken from the fridge and this is the look of the chicken. So now I'm going to mix all together and adding the flour, mixing of the flour. So in one layer I will cover the full of the flour in all over the chicken and spread out the extra one. So remember, this is the 3 layers, or basically 2 layers of the flour and 1 layer of the water. So now I'm going to remove the extra flour from the chicken. Now I'm going to dip into the cold water just in both sides and take it out from the water. Again cover with the flour. So in this method, I have to cover all the chicken with the flour, again dip with the cold water, then again flour. So by that way, I have to cover all the chicken. Then it's ready to fry. Now I'm going to start to frying this chicken. Here I already add 300 ml of sunflower oil to make it hot, and this is the chicken which I just cover with the flour, again water and again flour, and this is the real consistency and the look of the chicken. Now I'm going to add this chicken in hot oil. In very low heat, I have to cook this chicken at least 10 to 12 minutes. I will cook this chicken 5 to 6 minutes in each side, then I will turn it to the opposite side. In total, I need to cook minimum 12 minutes. So I already here add all the chicken in hot oil. So I have to wait for 5 minutes. Then I'm going to turn the chicken to the opposite side. Then I will show you. After 5 minutes in cooking in the one side, then I'm going to turn it to the opposite side. One side is almost done. I'm turning opposite side all the chicken. And again it will cook in low heat for another 5 minutes. So if I raise the flame, the chicken will be burned outside the coating, but inside it will not be cooked. So in the same method, I'm going to again cook it another 5 minutes. I'm already turned all the chicken to the opposite side. I have to wait for another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, again I will show it. After 5 minutes, my chicken is done. So I already cooked this chicken in total 10 minutes, and this is the look. It's completely like golden brown color. So now I'm going to turn off the flame and start to serving this chicken. This is the final look of my chicken. After 10 minutes, I take it out from the hot oil and I serve it with the tomato ketchup and the mayo chili sauce. So this is the final look of my chicken. It's very crispy and it's a very delicious smell is coming out. So please try to make this recipe at home, and if you like this video, don't forget to give a like and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching.